Are you curious about the pink salt trick for weight loss? It's causing a buzz online. But does it really help? In this video, we'll explore the 15-second Himalayan pink salt method, how it works, and if it's worth your time. The pink salt trick uses Himalayan pink salt for metabolism, detoxification, and appetite control. Many users report results within days when combined with hydration and healthy habits. The claimed benefits of this trick include supporting digestion and detoxification, reducing cravings and bloating, and encouraging natural fat metabolism. Best of all, it's a quick 15-second morning routine. Here's how to do the pink salt trick step by step. First, get a glass of warm water. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. For extra flavor, you can add a splash of lemon juice. Stir it well, and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. How does this method work? Himalayan pink salt contains trace minerals that stimulate digestive enzymes and balance internal pH. This process also helps flush out toxins. When done right, it may enhance nutrient absorption and help curb overeating. Real users have shared their experiences. One user said, "This actually helped with my cravings, I feel full longer." Another stated, "I noticed less bloating after just one day." A third shared their success, saying, "I lost 3 pounds in a week doing this each morning." In summary, the pink salt trick is simple, affordable, and may support your weight loss journey naturally. It's not a miracle solution, but many users see great results with consistent use. Just ensure you're using the right type of salt from trusted sources. Ready to give it a try? Check out the recipe link below and start your morning with the pink salt trick today.